Good morning, everyone. This is 7:30 a.m. of 7th December 2020, and let us analyze what happened on Friday first, so as to um, accordingly have our observation for today, considering the technical analysis as well as the global sentiments. So on Friday, we see that there was a gap up opening, and after that, the markets continued rallying towards 13,250 on the Nifty spot chart. And after that, the markets became weak and slowly they were coming down. But after the RBI's announcement, even after breaching the day's low, the markets recovered completely and went above the previous highs, making the all-time highs. Yes, so the markets closed at say at 13,258 on the spot chart and 13,311 on the futures chart. And we can see this particular level, that is 13,150, has become a strong support for now. The obviously there is 13,200, which can be an intermediate support, but 13,150 is the strong support where the new bulls have entered, and they would not let the market go down below this level for easily. So that is on the Nifty chart. But let us, yeah, check the global sentiments. On Friday, both European and US markets had closed positive, same as what happened on the Indian markets. But today, we see that almost all of the markets, excluding few of them, are trading completely negative. So today, the global sentiments are negative. The same can be seen on the Dow Jones chart. So this is a weekly chart of the Dow Jones. As you can see, when it touched the all-time highs again on 6th, we see that there has been kind of profit booking and the uh, markets are facing resistance on the upside. So this is on 7th, the Dow Jones future chart we are saying. So here we see there is a resistance. We are clearly seeing the markets getting resistance on the upside. On the SGX Nifty, we see it is currently trading at 13,284. Um, actually, the previous close was 13,335 for the Nifty futures, and after that, now we are at 13,284. The high that we have made is 13,340 and the low is 13,282. So this is almost same as what had happened in the Indian markets, and the low is 13,282. So actually it is touching the low now for this last 1 hour, we can say. But if we check the historical chart of this, we see that after the highs, it has been slowly coming down. So yeah, that's about the SGX Nifty. So today can be a kind of lower opening for the markets, and because of the negative global sentiments, we can expect the market to trade kind of sideways, if not positive for today, because as per the Friday's price action and the sentiments, the markets had started rallying. But as per the today's global sentiments, we are going to open lower. But it depends, if we get a new buying, again we might start going up, because it seems like many of the people might be booking their profits at the top. And also it is possible that if the people get opportunities to get into this rally, uh, they will get into. So if the markets come slightly lower, say on the Nifty chart towards this level, again there can be a new buying at this support level. So let us see the important levels on the Nifty futures chart. As you can see, this particular channel, the complete channel, might act as immediate major support, and we need to consider this as a immediate major support at least for today if this is not broken. So between 13,155 to 13,200, almost 207. So this complete channel will be a major support for today. And there are some intermediate supports as well marked, with 13,000 being the major support for the market. And since we are now at 13,322, the 13,000 is difficult, but this particular level on the downside can be tested. So just watch for this level. And if it doesn't come to this level and the immediate buying of a good level appears, then you can get into that side depending on the price action and your own trading system. So just remember these levels. You can pause the video and note them down on your charts. And on the Bank Nifty, it finally crossed the all-time high on the the Bank Nifty future chart, and we see the major levels marked like this. It all depends on how we open in the pre-open, um, what kind of action occurs during the pre-opening, and uh, if there is again a gap up, then we can expect the markets to trade strongly bullish, and if there is a gap down, we might face the resistance again at the higher levels as we start going up again. So trade with stop loss for today, and take care. These are the important levels you can mark for Bank Nifty as well. We see there was a volume that we see there was a huge buying towards the end, even in the Bank Nifty. This was again based on the RBI's policy, but since this is again the all-time highs, there can be profit booking at the top. So be careful with your trades, and trade with the proper position size and the stop loss. We'll meet again during the trading session. Bye. To receive similar learning and informative videos on trading, please subscribe The Bombay Trader and press the bell icon.